Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tian, and you guys are probably wondering, hey Tian, how come you have this icon over here and how do you have this interface which looks so good right now? So let me go to extensions tab. Over here, if I just search material, where are you, material? So material icon theme. So this theme, material icon theme, is very amazing, and you can see all this amazing icon over here. Whenever you create these files or folders, this is the JavaScript and this is the PHP. So whenever you are creating a PHP file, just imagine this icon. If I just create a PHP file, test.php, you can see the icon over here is this, and you can get this icon, and this is a very amazing theme that you can have in your collection, in your extensions. So you can just go and grab this theme. This is, you don't have to pay for it. And another theme that is amazing is Atom Dark. So not Atom Dark, One Dark Pro. So this is amazing as well. You can use this to have nice interface in your Visual Studio Code. So these things make your productivity boost up. You can actually boost up your productivity when you are working in a nice environment. When you are just going through these files, it makes you easier to think that yes, this file is index.html, this one is test.php, and the one is fire.js. So I don't need the test.php, so I'm just gonna delete this one. And this is the themes that you can search, and you can also use your own. You can just search for your own, and if you like something else and if you're using something else, then you can recommend me that in the comment section as well, so that I can check the theme out. So yeah, that is basically it. That is basically what I'm using right now. So yeah, you can give it a try as well. So yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, everyone, take care.